Hi there, I'm Laureen DuBeau, Master Instructor Trainer for Merrithew. And today we're going to continue our series on cueing. Cueing for essential level exercises is important, but it becomes even more important when we're doing the advanced level exercises. Today I'm going to show you the handstand on the stability chair, the pike variation of it. So I've got my chair here, and the first thing that we want to look at for this exercise is finding the proper amount of tension. We want to have enough tension that the pedal will lift when we want it to, but not so much tension that we can't control it, bringing it back down, or it's going to lift up too quickly. So I've got 2 heavy low springs on, and that tends to be the right amount of tension for me. So I'm going to start my exercise in my tall position. Balls of the feet are on the pedals. My heels are resting down on the wooden part of the pedal. So I'll take my deep breath in to prepare, and I'm going to begin by rolling down. So exhaling to nod the chin, articulate the spine, rolling all the way down till the hands come to the floor, and then I'm going to walk out to my pike position. And I don't want to go too far. I just want to go to a position where I feel stable and can be in a nice flat back position. The first thing I want to look at, and the first thing I can cue, is a little bit of weight transfer. So I'm going to shift my weight forward slightly over my hands as the pedal lifts. Then as I come into flexion, I'm going to press a little bit back into my hands, a little weight shift backwards to control all the way down. Now I can also look at a little bit of movement through my ankles. So as I shift the weight forward and let the pedal lift, I can have a bit of plantar flexion. Then as I scoop the abdominals, flex the spine and press back down, there's a little dorsiflexion that happens. So I want to find my flat back position and then flexion. So that's going to help me, my weight shift forward and a little weight shift back, and then the movement of the ankles as well. To finish off with, I'll walk back, let the heels drop down to the chair, and then articulate the spine, coming all the way back up to vertical. So by watching my client or figuring out when I'm performing the exercises, which of these cues are going to be the most helpful, I'll be able to perform the exercise well and get the most out of it. I hope you found this helpful and look forward to seeing you again next time.